In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your content that you screen record on your phone into a phone frame like this. So first things first, you must have screen record whatever it is you want to put in the frame. After you must have recorded your video, make sure you use any of your video editor to cut out the fluff. That's the part where you make mistake, the part where you're not saying anything, or the part that is unnecessary. Cut it out, then save it first. So after you save it, then we'll now go to the next process. Next thing is to go over to Capcut, your InShot, or whatever video editing app you want to use. Then you must have add your phone background, that's the phone frame. You must have added the phone frame. You must have recorded your video that you want to fix in the frame. Then head over to any video editing app. So for this, I'm going to be making use of Capcut. I'm going to tap on New Project. Then I'm going to bring in my background, which is the background where I want the video to stay. So I think I'm going to use a solid color. If you want to use a solid color on Capcut, just come to your photos, input any picture of your choice. So once you bring it in, first things first, look below your screen and tap on aspect ratio. Here is it right here, aspect ratio. Then change the aspect ratio to 9:16 or 16:9, any one that is suitable for you. But for this video, I'm going to be making use of 9:16. Then I'm going to tap on this particular image. Then I am going to drag it away from the screen. I'm going to take it away from the screen, like I shifted it away from the screen. Then I'm going to extend this to the length of my video. So after I've extended it to the length of my video, under my screen right here, this things right here under my screen, I'm going to head over to background and pick the suitable color that I want. So let's say I want to use yellow, or this pink, or purple, or let's say I want to use blue. So after I bring in this blue, the next thing is to bring in my video that I recorded, that I have cut out the fluff, I have cut out the unnecessary parts that I don't want. Then I'm going to bring it in as overlay. I'm going to bring it in first. So let me go to my screen recorder and bring it out. All right, so let's say this is it. I want to put this. Then I'm just going to tap on add. Then as soon as I bring it in, I'm going to reduce the size a little bit to my suitable size. I'm just going to use my hand to hold it, my two hands to hold it, and either increase it or decrease it. So once I put it in the size where I want it, then I'm going to tap on overlay again. Then I'll bring in the photo of the phone frame. In the description of the video, I included a link where you can get the phone frame I use in my video. So I'm going to head over to my download and bring in my phone frame, which is this one or this. So let's say I want to use this one. Then as you can see, it is now here. Then I'll use my hand to reduce this phone frame too, so that it will contain my recorded video. So can you see it now? Then I'm just going to tap on the phone frame and extend it to the end of the video. So this is why it's important that you cut out the fluff of your recorded video first, so that when you are here, you don't stress too much. You just go straight to the point by adjusting the clips to each other. So, and in some cases, you are going to notice that sometimes some of the thing on your phone, since it's recorded in square, it will be showing at the edge here. This is what I do to cut out those parts. Just tap on that thing you recorded on your phone, that video you recorded on your phone. Then under your screen here, look for mask. So once we get to mask, you should select this circle, and can you see it reduced everything to a little circle here. Now the next thing is to extend it to the side, extend it up, but don't allow it to extend outside the phone frame. Can you see that my cycle is not entirely circle, so it has cut out the edges that may show at the end of my video. So this is how you fix your recording into phone frame. It has fitted perfectly into my phone screen, and I can continue doing whatever it is I want to do on my phone. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next.